Hello kids, welcome to savitaphawadeacademy, and today we continue our sixth one chapter, subtraction of bigger numbers, and we on page number 89, and today is our topic. Parnavi, you can read?
Yes.
Read then.
Subtraction.
No, it's a subtracting 3. Next.
Digit numbers.
Very good. Means today we learn our topic subtracting 3-digit numbers. Kids, all of you remember in more addition we learn 3-digit numbers. Okay. Today we learn subtracting 3-digit numbers. And our sum is here one story sum. Okay. I read here. 114 adults. How many? 114 adults and 327 children. This one a word problem or story sum. Visited the planetarium for a special show on planet Earth. How many more children than adults visit the planetarium? Means how we form then our subtraction sum? Yes. Parnavi,
Yes.
we can form?
Yes.
How? Write down. Take this one pen. Form here. First one number.
First one number is.
First you write down bigger number, because always we subtract from bigger number to smaller number. Means 327. First you write down 327.
327.
7. And this one our story sum is subtraction. So minus sign
Minus sign.
and smaller number 114.
114.
Parnavi, always your number should be ones place, tens place, downside, accurate on their position. Okay, means this one 4, accurate downside 7. This one 1 tens position, this one tens position. See here, this one 100 position, this one tens position, this one ones position. Means how we form our sum? 3 in 100 place, 2 in tens place, and this one 7 in ones place, and minus sign 100 place, 14 1 4 14, this one 4 should be in ones place, not in a tens place. Then your answer may be incorrect. Okay, then solve. 7 minus 4. Yes.
We have 7 chocolates.
Yes.
B minus 4.
Hmm.
There are remaining 3.
Wow. Very good. Keep it up. Then.
2 minus 1.
Yes.
It will be 1.
Very good. And
3 minus 1. 2.
very good, Parnavi. Clap for Parnavi. And all of you also very talented kids. So claps for all of you. Then come to the point. Okay. Means our final answer 213. Okay. Means let it see here. Please pay attention. our textbook given here. This one story sum. Example, see, 114 adults and 327 children visited the planetarium for a special show on planet Earth. How many more children than adults visited the planetarium? More than means subtraction. Means we should find the difference, and difference means subtraction. So see, children 327, adults 114, and we should find here answer means a difference. Okay, then textbook saying here, remember to place the bigger number on top while subtracting. So Parnavi wrote here bigger number 327, then subtract smaller number 114. Okay, then our textbook showing here step by step how to subtract 3-digit numbers. First one, subtract the ones 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4, 7 and 4 are ones. So 7 minus 4, we got 3. Okay, and next step, subtract the tens. Tens number 2 and 1. 2 minus 1, we got 1. Okay, then third one step, subtract the hundreds. 3 minus 1, this one 3 and 1, hundreds. Okay, so we subtract 3 minus 1, we got our number 2, means our total, our final answer 213. But this one a story sum, word problem. Then how we form our sum, our answer, write down this one word. A and S, W are very important. 213, this one final answer, and complete your answer. Write down last one sentence. Our textbook story sum ask us difference. How many more children than adults visited the planetarium? So we form here in answer 213 more children than adults visited the planetarium. That type. Okay. Then next sum our example, our 564 minus 23 is equal to how many? Then first we form in 100 place, tens place and ones place. Okay, first we print our board. Okay, then we form first 1, 2, 1, 3. This one for 100 place, this one tens place, and this one ones place. Okay, this one hundreds. So I write here hundreds. This one tens. So I write here tens. This one ones. Okay, and our sum is which? 564 minus 23 is equal to how many? Then 500, write down in 5 place 6 tens, write down 6 here, and 4 ones, write down here. Okay, 564 and 23. This one 3 in ones place, and this one 2 in a tens place. Here is no hundreds. So, and always kids doing common mistake, they start from here 23, but it's wrong. Don't do that. If there is a 2 number or 1 number means that one are ones. If there is a 2 number means you start from tens place, or you start from if there is a 1 number, you start from ones place. Okay, then let's come, we use here minus sign. Okay, 4 minus 3 1, 6 minus 2 4, and 5 write down as it is. means our answer final 541. Okay kids, next our answer, next our sum. First we clean our board. Kids, all of you enjoy. Actually, mathematics subject is very interesting. Always when maths lecture, keep in your mind this one, puzzles, activities, play with different numbers. Okay, then next our sum. Example, 672 minus 300 is equal to how many? Then we form our all numbers in 100 place, ones place. Okay, this one for hundreds, this one for tens, and this one for ones. This one hundreds, H for 100, T for tens, and this one O for ones. Okay, first one 672, 6 in 100, 7 in tens, and this one 2 in ones place. Okay, then minus, we use here minus sign. 300, 300, 100 place, and 0 tens and 0 ones, 0 tens, 0 ones. Our answer 2 minus 0, 0 means nothing. Write down 2 here. 7 minus 0, 0 means nothing. Write down 7. 6 minus 3. If you have a 6 Cadbury's and your small sisters want half, means 3, then how many remaining? 3. Okay, means our final answer 372. All of you understood? I hope all of you understood. Then try this section, do some remaining, both sum we solve here. Kids, if you want out of marks in your mathematics paper, you should be practice each and every sum minimum 3 or 5 times. Kids, in maths subject, practice and always practice is very important. Always play with different games. Okay, only that. Next, try this section, TRY. Try this section, THIS. This. Okay, let's see. 457 minus 234. 7 minus 4, 4, 5, 6, 7 means we want 3 numbers. Then we got 7. 5 minus 3, 3, 3, 4, 5 means 2 required. So write down here 2. 4 minus 2, 2 already. 3 and 4 means 2 required. So write down here 2 means our answer 223. Okay, if you have a confusion, then you form that type hundreds and tens and ones place, hundreds, tens and ones, and 457 and minus 234, and your answer you solve here. 7 minus 4, 3, 5 minus 3, 2, 4 minus 2, 2. Okay kids, and one sum remaining in try this section. 672 minus 361. This one sum for all of you. This one your homework. Please solve 5 times. Okay kids, I hope all of you enjoy this one topic, subtracting 3-digit numbers, and I hope all of you understood better. Kids, in next our maths topic, we solve our exercise 6a. Till it, bye bye.